Hello dear students, today I will discuss about ellipse, that is conic section. In the previous class we have already seen that the two conic sections, circles and parabola. So now I will discuss about third conic section, that is ellipse. Okay, ellipse means in a plane the set of all the points, the sum of whose distances from two fixed points remains always constant. Clear? Means all the points, collect all the points whose distance from two fixed point. Just like in circle, from a fixed point, same. In parabola, from a fixed point and from fixed line are same. Here, points in a plane which sum of whose distances from two fixed point remains always constant. It's called ellipse. Okay, so that means suppose two fixed points, this and this. These are the two fixed point. First point is F1, second point is F2. 2 points fixed, and all the points whose distance from this we have to find, and sum remains always constant. That is, this is a point, suppose this are the distance, suppose this is P1. Similarly, suppose this P2, suppose this P3. These are the points. Distance of this plus this, this plus this plus this, not equal addition. That means here what? P1 F1 plus P1 F2 is equals to P2 F1 plus P2 F2, P3 F1 plus P3 F2, means sum of distance from two fixed points are always constants, same. Then the collection of that points, that is path of that such point, path of such points are called ellipse, just like this, F1, F2. You can see in the diagram also. Okay, called ellipse. Clear? Now there are different factors in this ellipse. Just in the diagram you can see also. So understand what we says, all the factors, just like fixed points are called focus of the ellipse. Fixed point are called focus. That is, this is point and this is point. This is F1, this is F2. Called, suppose this is F1, this is F2. These 2 points are called focus of the, are the focus, foci. That means F1 and F2, 2 focus. Okay, and there are many factors in this diagram of ellipse. Center of this, because these 2 points are fixed focus, center, midpoint of F1 F2 is center, generally denoted by O. Clear? And a line segment passing through F1 and F2, major axis, and line perpendicular to this line up to the ellipse called major axis. You can see in the diagram also. Clear? Major axis and center. This is center. This line segment is major axis. This focus. You can see in the diagram also. Okay. And line perpendicular to this major axis and passing through the point to the center, this line is called minor axis. Clear? Called minor axis. And the end point of the major axis, which lie on the ellipse, is called vertices, just like this. Okay, so just like this, the diagram of ellipse. These are the vertices. Clear? Now here, just we suppose the distance between these 2 points, these are minor axis, this is minor axis, this is major axis, these are focus, this is vertex, V1, this is vertex, V2, vertex, these are called vertex, major axis, minor axis, this is center. Okay. Now here, just we suppose that this length of major axis is what? 2a. That means from this distance is what? A, and this distance is up to this A. That is total is what? 2a. Total is 2a. Let suppose length of major axis. Clear? That is A, this is A. And also these 2 distance are 2c. That is this distance is c and this distance is c. Clear? And suppose after extending this is x axis and this is y axis. Clear? Then coordinate can be written. Was this distance is this distance c and this distance a, and also the distance, this distance b, total this distance b, that is 2b, length of minor axis 2b, semi minor axis equals to b, and semi major axis equals to a, that is total length 2a and 2b. So this coordinate of this point what? C0. If this is center, origin, and x-axis and y-axis, if we treat like this is 0, 0. Then this is C, so C0. This is C, that is minus C0. And this is what? 0b. This is 0 minus b. And this is what? Minus A0. Because A length, this is what? A0. So the coordinate of vertices. this focus, coordinate of focus, this length. So these are the factors. Just this is our notation. Okay, you can see also in the diagram. Okay, so this all the factors that like focus, semi-major axis, semi-minor axis, vertex. This is the major axis along the x-axis. This is minor axis along the y-axis. Okay, this is horizontal ellipse. Okay, which axis along the x-axis and center lying on the origin. So this is the diagram of ellipse. Here A is greater than B. Here see, A is greater than B. A is greater than B. Clear? Now, also see the diagram for this. Okay? Now, relation between. Here A, B, C are three constant. A means semi-major axis. B means semi-minor axis. C means distance of focus from center. Distance of focus from center. Clear? This. And one thing is also here, eccentricity of ellipse. Eccentricity is distance of one of the focus from center. This. The ratio of distance from one of the center from one of the focus from center to semi-major axis. Clear? Semi-major axis. That is C by A. That is C by A is the eccentricity. Eccentricity. Okay? Eccentricity. Just remember E. We denote by E. Eccentricity of the ellipse is the ratio of the distance of one of the focus from center to the semi-major axis. That is C equals to E equals to C by A. We can also write C equals to AE, where E is the eccentricity. E is the eccentricity. So here 4 samples we are having. What? A, B, C and E. Eccentricity, semi-major axis, semi-minor axis and distance of one of the focus from center. Okay, now relation between. Relation between A, B, C and E. Very, very important. And after finding relation between this, just we will derive the equation of the ellipse. Clear? So here relation between A, B, C. Okay. So just see in the diagram also for this. Okay. So here just we can find the relation between this. Very simple. Just suppose see in the diagram. What is the definition of ellipse? Points on the ellipse. So sum of distance of the point on the ellipse from to focus will remains always constant. So the diagram it is given that how? Just like this. Okay, suppose this is our ellipse. Clear? Now from here we can see that if this is point Q, this is point P, and this is focus F1, this is focus F2, this is center. Okay, this distance we know, this distance is what? C. This is, and this distance is also C, and this distance is also not, this is A and this is B. This distance is B. Now points on the ellipse, P and Q points on the ellipse. So distance of this point from these 2 point sum. That means PF2 plus PF1. PF2 plus PF1 will be equals to QF1 plus QF2, because P and Q are the point on the ellipse. Clear? So this, according to definition of ellipse, so sum of the distance from of Q from this to this plus, and sum of the distance from this F1 to F2 will be equal. So this distance PF2 can be written as, if this is x-axis and if this is y-axis, then this is C plus OP. This plus this means what? C plus A. So this can be written as C plus A. PF2, C plus A. And PF1, what? This is A, this is C. So this is equals to A minus C. So A minus C. This equals to QF1. So here, just this is 90 degree. So you can find this value. Also you can find this value. If C is B, then this will be hypotenuse. So B square plus C square. This is also B square plus C square. So this distance and this distance means this two. So root B square plus C square plus root B square plus C square. This is the relation. Okay. From here we can get what? CC cancel 2A. 2A equals to 2 times of root B square plus C square. This gives what? By cancelling 2 and squaring, A square equals to B square plus C square. So this is our relation. A square equal to B square plus C square. Okay, semi major axis, semi minor axis. C is the distance of on the focus from center. So this is relation between ABC. Clear? And also the value of E we can find from here. The E equals to what? C by A. So E equals to C means what? From here we can see that C equals to C square equals to, from here C equals to what? Root over A square minus B square. So we can write root over A square minus B square upon A. You can take it in the inner side. So we can write root over 1 minus B square by A square. So this is the relation, E equals to root A square minus root 1 minus B square by A square. So these are the relation between AB and E, and here just we also know that C equals to EA. So from this is C0 focus, this is minus C0. So C can be written as a AE. So focus can be written how? Also AE0 if E is at eccentricity. Also here minus AE0. So these are the focus. So here many terms are related to ellipse. So you have to find from the equation of the ellipse all the things. Focus, what will be the focus, or the vertices, major axis, minor axis, length of latus rectum. Here also latus rectum we will derive the formula for also latus rectum. Latus rectum is important in the case of ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. Okay. So here these are the relation. Yes, also clear from diagram. Now derivation of the equation of ellipse. Equation of ellipse. This diagram is what? Ellipse. Equation of ellipse. Equation means if there is an arbitrary point on the ellipse, then what is the relation between coordinates of that arbitrary point with constants of the ellipse? Means xy and abc either of A, B, C or 2 or 3 may be involved in the equation. Okay, so here the equation of ellipse will involve coordinate of arbitrary point on the ellipse. Suppose this is ellipse. Also you can see the diagram. Okay. Here, suppose this is our ellipse. Just in the diagram, it is also clear that suppose this is our ellipse, vertical ellipse, horizontal ellipse. This is center O. Suppose there is an arbitrary point on ellipse. Suppose there is an arbitrary point on ellipse. And this is vertex. What? A0 we know. This is minus A0. This is focus F1, focus F2. What? C minus C0. Here C0. Clear? Now we want to find the equation of the ellipse. How can we find the equation of the ellipse? According to the definition of ellipse, sum of the distance of P from F1 and PF2, PF1 plus PF2 constant. Okay, always what? Constant. And this distance is always equals to 2a. Suppose this distance is 2a. Clear? Like this. Then we can solve it because its coordinates CA, C0, this coordinate minus C0 is coordinate XY. So distance between these 2 points, this plus this. This distance. You can find the distance plus, you can find the distance equals to 2a. Just you can solve it. Distance formula, you can apply distance. PF1 means what? X minus c square plus y minus 0 square. Here x minus plus c square plus y minus 0 square equals to this. Now transferring this root to here and squaring and then adjusting, you can, after doing, we can get like this: x square by a square plus y square by c square minus a square equals to 1. You can get like this. Okay. A square minus c square, sorry. A square minus c square. Just transfer to right hand side and squaring on both sides and just adjust, then you can get like this. So finally, we know the relation between a square, abc equals to a square plus b square, a square will be b square plus c square. From here, you can write a square minus c square equals to b square. So in place of this, you can write b square. That is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. This is our standard equation of ellipse. Okay? For relation, this are satisfied, we know. Just like this. X square upon a square. A is semi-major axis, horizontal ellipse. B is semi-minor axis. Here A greater than B. Here A greater than B for this horizontal ellipse. So, from diagram also it is clear the shape of the ellipse. Okay. So, if ellipse is vertical ellipse means if this type of ellipse, that is just our notation for this is 0a, this is 0 minus a, this is origin, this is b0, this is minus b0, and take any point on this ellipse xy, here f1, here f2, here 0 c, here 0 minus C. This. Then you can get just B on this line, A on this line. So equation will be like this: x square upon b square plus y square upon a square equals to 1. Here a is greater than b. Here a is greater than b. Also here a is greater than b. So this is vertical ellipse whose major axis along the y axis. Major axis along the y axis. This is y axis. This is x axis. This is major axis. This is major axis. This is minor axis. This is minor axis. Okay. If major axis along the y axis, then we will get this type of ellipse where a greater than 0. Here a 0 a is it. Okay. So in this diagram also it is clear that what will be the equation of ellipse when the axis is along the x axis and when axis is along the y axis, and that is in equation x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1, and x square upon b square plus y square upon a square equals to 1. This is vertical. This is horizontal. That is major axis. Major axis along y axis is this, and major axis x axis, x axis, and major axis along y axis. That is, if denominator here a is greater than b, here also a is greater than b. That is, if denominator of these two, if denominator of these two is greater than other, then if this denominator, then this x axis, major axis will be along x axis. Here, if a greater than b means denominator of y square by a square is greater than the denominator of this, then axis will be along y axis. Okay, so by seeing, after writing in this format, just by seeing the denominator of these two, which is greater than, if it is greater than, this is greater than, then along y axis. If this is greater than, along x axis. Also you can see in the diagram. Okay, so these are the equation of ellipse. And now in the exercise 11.3 we will solve, first of all, solve some questions for finding all the factors: focus, major axis, minor axis, lattice. Also here lattice rectum. What is lattice rectum? Just for finding lattice rectum, just take length of lattice rectum, just like parabola. Here length of lattice rectum of ellipse. First of all, what is lattice rectum? Lattice rectum is, suppose this is our horizontal ellipse. Lattice rectum is simple. Lattice rectum is means the length of double ordinate passing through the foci. Means suppose this is focus f1, this is focus f2. Clear? Now double ordinate means what? Line perpendicular to the major axis. This is major axis, this is y axis, this is also you can see there in the diagram. It's very clear. Okay, this line, this is all the line are perpendicular, but the line perpendicular to the major axis, perpendicular to the major axis, this is major axis. Okay, this is major axis, perpendicular to the major axis and passing through the focus are called lattice rectum, and endpoints will lie on the ellipse. So this L, L1, L dash, L1 dash, these are the lattice rectum. This is latus rectum. Okay, latus rectum. Now its length we have to find. Length we can find this. What is this? C0. Suppose this coordinate C, this is C, so C, and this distance we don't know, so suppose L, or suppose K. You can find suppose K. So CK. CK is what? This is length K. Then 2K is the latus rectum. 2K will be length of latus rectum. So length of latus rectum is equals to 2K. Now we have to find the K. So this is CK. CK lie on the ellipse and its equation will be what? X square upon A square plus Y square upon B square equals to 1. CK will satisfy this. CK will satisfy this. So from here, just we have to find the value of K. So here, just satisfy it. So C square, X in place of X is C or Y, K. So C square upon A square plus K square upon B square equals to 1. Now we can solve it. Here K square equals to, from here K square equals to what? B square 1 minus C square upon A square. 1 minus C square upon A square, B square into this. So K square equals to what? B square 1 minus C square by A square. C square by A square means A square. And we also know that A square equals to root over 1 minus B square by A square. From E equals to. From here we can find E square equals to 1 minus B square by A square. From here we see that 1 minus E square equals to B square by A square. 1 minus E square equal to B square by A square. Just 1 minus E square equals to B square by A square. You can write K square equals to B square into B square by A square by using this. So here just we see that K square equals to what? B power 4 by A square. So K equals to B square upon A. So K equals to B square upon A. So latus rectum equals to 2 B square by A. This is length of latus rectum. Okay. So always remember 2 B square by A. A is semi major axis, B is semi minor axis. So this is the length of latus rectum. Okay. So these are the theory. And also here you can see that in this equation, in any of the ellipse, the x and y are of even power. Also in x and also in y. That is, ellipse is symmetric about both axes. We can also see both axes because here this diagram, here also this diagram, here also this diagram and this diagram, then symmetric about both axes. Okay. Now we will solve some questions from exercise 11.3. So very simple questions are there. I will give short discussion of all the questions and you have to write in your copy in details. Okay. So let us start from questions 1. See here, from question 1 to 9, just we have to find the focus, vertex, coordinates of focus and vertices, length of major axis, minor axis, and eccentricity and length of latus rectum of 1 to 9 questions of same type of questions. Okay. So first of all, we have to decide solution 1. Because there are from 1 to 9 questions all are equation of ellipse. Just we have to find all the factors. Here, first question is given x square by 36 plus y square by 16. Given ellipse. You have to write in details in your copy. Okay, here. Just given ellipse is x square by 36 and y square by 16 equals to 1. Just what will be the standard equation of ellipse? Just we have to decide first, and then we can get the value of a, b, c, e, etc. And we know the what are the focus, vertices, major axis, minor axis according to the format of ellipse. So what is the format of ellipse? This. Okay, here since denominator of x square by 36, that is, you can write this x square by 6 square plus y square by 4 square equals to 1. Y square by 6 square is greater than y square by 4 square, because greater denominator gives the axis along of ellipse. Denominator of x square by 6 square is greater than y square by 4 square. That means axis of ellipse will be along x-axis. Along x-axis, that is horizontal ellipse. So equation of ellipse will be of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1, a greater than b. This. Therefore, on comparing with this, we get, on comparing one with this, we get a equals to what? A equals to 6 and b equals to 4. Now we have to find all the factors, just one by one. First of all, thus focus. Here a and b are this. Now we have to find what? C for writing, because focus is what? Plus minus C 0. Two focus are there, C 0 minus C 0, and vertex plus minus A 0. Vertex are on the both side, A 0 minus A 0, and minor axis to be minor axis and major axis and length of major axis length of minor axis and what? Eccentricity and lattice rectum. Eccentricity and length of lattice rectum. In this, axis is along x-axis. So major axis, x-axis. Minor axis along y-axis. Length of major axis 2a, minor axis 2b. And eccentricity E equals to root over or c by a. You can write what? C by a. Or this is what? 2b square by a. Just we have to find all these values. For C, relation between ABC, we know that what? A square equals to B square plus C square. So A equals to what? 36 equals to B equals to 4, 16 plus C square. So from here C square equals to 36 minus 16, 0, 20. So C equals to C square equals to root 20. Root 20 can be written as 4 into 5. So 2 root 5 this. C can be written. Clear? Now you can write all the things. Here focus and all the things. Plus minus C0 focus. So what? Plus minus 2 root 5 0. This is focus. A equals to what? 6. So this is plus minus 6 0. And 2a, length of major axis 2a, a equal to 6. 2 into 6 equals to 12. 2 into 4 equals to 8. And C equals to what? 2 root 5. 2 root 5 upon 6. A equals to 6. So root 5 by 3. Root 5 by 3. Root 5 by 3. Clear? Or you can find all the values by using, these formulas. Just depend on the format. Okay. And 2b square by a, you can find 2b square by 2. B square means what? 4 square by 6 equals to 3. 16 by 3. 16 by 3. 16 by 3. So these are the answer. Okay. These, and this. Clear? So from 1 to question 9 you can find by using this formula. Okay, so next question is just like second question. Question second. Take question second. Okay, here x square by 4, y square by 25. Clear? The second equation is x square by 4 and y square by 25. That is 2 square, 5 square. So here y square by 5 square is greater than x square by 2 square. Just in reverse order. Here the denominator of this quantity is greater than the denominator of this quantity. Denominator of this is greater than the denominator of greater than that of x square upon 2a square. Therefore, axis of, because its denominator is greater than the denominator of x square by 2a square. So, the axis will be along y-axis. Along y-axis. So, the equation of the ellipse will be of the form vertical ellipse. That is what? X square by b square is here and y square by a square is here equals to 1, a greater than b. Comparing 1 with it, a equals to what? 5, b equals to 2. A equals to 5, b equals to 2. Okay, b equals to 2 and a equals to 5. So, this is vertical strip. Vertical ellipse. So, our values will be what? Vertical ellipse. Just this ellipse. So, here all the things. Focus lie on the y-axis. Vertex lie on the this. Major axis will be y-axis, along y-axis. Along y-axis. Along x-axis. And length of major axis 2a, minor axis 2b, c by a and so on. Then you can find all the value. Here this AB is this. So find the value of C. A square means 5a square equals to b square means 2a square plus c square. This equals to what? C square equals to 25 minus 4 equals to 21. So C equals to what? Root 21. Root 21. So root 21 is this. Clear? Now all the things you can find. A, B, C are we know, so you can write. These are the formula. Okay, for finding factors or constants of ellipse, all the values. So focus. Focus can be written what? Focus C, root 21. So root 21. So here 0 plus minus root 21. Here what? 0 plus minus a equals to what? 5. 5. This, 2a. 2 into a. A means 5 equals to 10. And 2 into 2 equals to 4. 10 and 4. And then c by a, eccentricity. C by a. C is what? Root 21. Root 21 upon 5. And 2b square by a. So 2b square means 2a square upon a means 5. So 8 by 5. 8 by 5. So these are the values. So we can find for all the questions from 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. So here just see the question 7, 8, 9. They are given in not in a standard form. Just you have to write in a standard form. Okay, question 7. Question 7. Question 7 is given like for question 7, E is equals to always C by A, and this is 2B, this is 2A. Just we have to find all these values. Okay, so here along, just we have to see whether what is the format of this. This is question 7. Okay, question 7 is what? 36. 36 4y square. 36 square 4y square. 36 x square plus 4y square equals to 144. 144. This is the given ellipse. Okay. Just we have to write first it in the standard form. A standard form contains right side 1. So here for make here 1, just transfer to left hand side in the denominator or dividing by both sides by 144. So here we can write 36x square upon 144 plus 4y square upon 144 equals to 1. It can be written as x square upon 144 upon 36 plus y square upon 144 upon 4 equals to 1, and it can be written as x square by 4, x square by 4 and 36, x square by 4 plus y square by 36 equals to 1. So this is the format. Okay, just you have to transfer this first in the standard form. Right hand side should be 1, so divide by this. Now this 36 go to this here and here, just divide 4 by 36. So we can write here 2 square 6 square. Okay, so here we can write how x square upon 2 square plus y square upon 6 square, y square upon 6 square equals to 1. This is equation 1. Clear? Now, y square by 6 square, denominator of this is greater than, let us clear that 6 square is greater than 2 square. So, greater than that of x square upon 2 square. Therefore, axis of leaves will be along y axis. Clear? Major axis. Therefore, major axis of ellipse will be along y-axis. Sorry, major axis. Always you write right. Main axis is major axis. Just we are treating. So major axis will be along y-axis, and minor axis along x-axis. So format will be what? X square upon b square plus y square upon a square equals to 1. Clear? Now, comparing this equation with this, we can write a equals to what? A equals to 6, b equals to 2. A equals to 6, b equals to 2. A6, b2. So C can find here from here. C square equals to a square minus b square. A square means what? 6 square minus 2 square equals to 36 minus 4 equals to 32. So C equals to 4 root 2. Root 32. So 4 root 2 we can write C equals to, so 4 root 2. Okay. C equals to 4 root 2. So here for this standard format you can write major axis along y axis, that is 0 plus minus C. 0 plus minus a along y-axis, along x-axis, and just you can find all the values. Here first 0 plus minus 4 0 plus minus 4 root 2 and 0 plus minus 6. These are the value. Okay, so you can find all the values here. What? 2a. 2 equals to 2 into a means 6 equals to 12. 2 into 2 equals to 4, 12 and 4, and remaining values are eccentricity. What is eccentricity? Here C equals to 4 root 2. So 4 root 2 upon a means 6. So 2, 2 root 2 by 3, 2 root 2 by 3, 2 root 2 by 3. Clear? And here b square will be what? 2 into b square. B means 2 square upon a means 6. So 3, 4 by 3, 4 by 3. So these are the answer. Okay. So these factors can be found by using the format of the ellipse. First of all, you have to find the format. Just if ellipses are given like this form, then you have to convert it in its standard form. And denominator is greater than the other. Then if its denominator is greater than the measure axis will be along this y axis. So the format of the ellipse will be this. And compare given equation with this, we can find AB. By using formula, we can get C, and all the formulas are here. These formulas are depend on format of the ellipse. Okay, just find format and then solve. So you can do also question 8, 9, same type of this. Just transfer to here, divide and write in the standard form and compare, and you can get all the value. Okay, so up to 9, these are the technique or formulas you can find solution. Now from question 10, 11, 12, there are 3 questions, vertices and foci are given. So we have to find the what? Equation of the ellipse. Just now we have to find the equation of the ellipse. So first of all we have to find what will be the format of ellipse, and then for finding the equation of ellipse, if we have any 2 of the 3 values, just a, b, c, from a, b, c, just if we know, we can find 2 values. We know 2 values, a, b or a, c or b, c, then we can find the third value. Okay, so 2 constants are there in equation of ellipse, a and b. So 2 conditions should be given for finding the equation of ellipse, because we know equation of ellipse is either of y square by b square equals to 1 or x square by b square plus y square by a square is equals to 1, either of this format. So here a b, two constants are involved in equation of ellipse. So 2 conditions should be given. Here question 10, 11, 12, 3 questions are same type of questions. So just like question 10 given, I will discuss in short. So you have to write in detail. Okay, vertex is given plus minus 5, 0. Vertex is given plus minus 5, 0. Okay. Plus minus 5, 0. And focus given, or just you can write foci, F-O-C-I, what? Plus minus 4, 0. Plus minus 4, 0. Just I will discuss in short. You have to write in detail. Okay. So plus minus 4, 0. So first of all, for finding the equation of ellipse, we have to find the format. What will be the format? And if this is vertex is plus minus 5, 0. And foci is plus minus 4, 0. We know the foci lie on the measure axis. So here, foci is this y coordinate 0, that is on x axis. So you have to write, since foci lie on x axis, therefore measure axis will lie along x axis. So format of the ellipse will be x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. Just you have to write in detail. Just I am writing short. Okay. This is the format. Clear? And now we know its foci are given by its foci are what? Its foci are plus minus c 0. Therefore, foci plus minus 4. So c equals to 4. Which are given as plus minus 4, 0. Therefore, c equals to 4. Also, its vertices are what? Plus minus 5, plus minus it's a0, which are given as plus minus 5, 0. Therefore, a equals to 5. C equals to 4, a equals to 5. C equals to 4, a equals to 5. We know that a square equals to b square plus c square implies c square equals, we have to c and a known, so b equals b square equals to. So from here b square equals to what? A square minus c square. A square means 5 square minus 4 square. That is what? 25 minus 16 equals to 9. Implies b equals to 3. So b equals to 3. Just take here positive sign then. Okay, so this is A, this is B. So equation of ellipse will be this. Just put the value. Thus, the equation of required ellipse is x square upon, just put the value of a and b here. A 5 square plus y square upon 3 square, b square, 3 square. So equals to 1. This is the ellipse. Okay, x square by 25 plus y square by 9. X square by 25 plus y square by 9 equals to 1. So this is our answer. X square by 25 plus y square by 9 equals to 1. Just you can write in the standard form. This is the equation of ellipse for question 10. Similarly for question 11 and 12 you can solve. For question 11, what is given? Question 11, 0 plus minus 13, 0 plus minus 13 and 0 plus minus 5. So it is clear that foci lie on y-axis. Foci lie on y-axis. Okay, question 11. Question 11. Foci lie on what? First coordinate 0, that is on y-axis. That is, its major axis will be lie on y-axis. Its equation will be what? Here b square, here a square. And foci are given as what? And its foci will be what? Its foci will be 0 plus minus c, which are given as what? 0 plus minus 5. That is c equals to what? 5. And its vertex will be what? 0 plus minus a, which are given as what? 0 plus minus 13. 0 plus minus 13. Just you have to write like this form. Okay, therefore a equals to what? 13. Just from this formula, you can get the value of b. V is equal to a square minus c square. A square means 13 square minus 5 square. 169 minus 25 equals to 1 144, 12, 144. So implies b equals to what? 12. B equals to 12. So therefore ellipse will be what? In this format just put the value. X square by what? X square by b square, 12 square, 12 square plus y square by what? A square, 13 square, 13 square equals to 1. So this is the equation of ellipse. You can write also it in the format x square by 144 plus y square by 169 equals to 1. This is equation solution in a standard form. Question 11. Similarly, question 12 can be solved. Now take question 13. Here just on the solution of questions depends on given condition. So you have to know better the diagram of the ellipse, where in points means major axis, minor axis. What are the in points? Okay, so in points just I will give in short discussion of in short. Okay, here 13 in points of major axis. In point of major axis 13 in point of major axis. In point of major axis, you know what is in point? This in point of major axis means vertices. Means what? Vertices. What is given? In point of plus minus 3. Plus minus 3, 0. And another is in point of minor axis, plus minus, and in point of minor axis. What? 0 plus minus 2. So here we see that major axis along x axis. So equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square. Just see this type of diagram because y coordinate is 0. So in point of major axis means what? Plus minus a is 0. Plus minus a is 0. That is a equals to what? 3. A equals to 3. And in point of minor axis, that is what? 0b, and here a 0, 0 minus b, and here minus is 0. So here b equals to what? 2. Just put here. This will be the format. So x square by 3a square plus y square by 2a square equals to 1. So this is the equation of ellipse standard format. Clear? Major axis along x axis. So a equals to 3, b equals to minor axis 0, b plus minus b, b equals to 2. The standard for major axis along x axis. So this is the equation of ellipse. Similarly, 14. Equation of the ellipse satisfied end of major axis and minor axis, just same type of questions. Okay, 14 is same. 14. What is given? 0 plus minus root 5. 0 plus minus root 5 and plus minus 1 0. Plus minus 1 0. Okay, so major axis lie on y axis. So parabola, ellipse will be like this. Okay, major axis along y axis. So this is the standard format. Okay, now this is the vertices 0 plus minus a. So a equals to root 5. A equals to root 5, and here b equals to what? Minor axis 1. B equals to 1. So what? root 5 square 1 square. So this is the equation of parabola. Okay, sorry, this is a and b equals to 1. Here b 1 root 5 square. So x square upon 1 plus y square upon 5 equals to 1. Clear? 14. 14 is what? Length of measure axis 26. Sorry, 15. Question 15. This was the question 14. Now 15 questions. Here question 15 is what? Question 15. Just question 15. Length of measure axis to 26. Length of measure axis 26. And what is given? Foci. Foci is what? Plus minus 5, 0. Foci is given like this. Plus minus 5, 0. Foci lie on the y coordinate 0 means x axis. That is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1 is the format of ellipse. And foci lie on the x axis. And that means c equals to 5. C equals to 5. And measure axis. Its measure axis is what? 2a. Its measure axis 2a. That is equals to 26. That is a equals to what? A equals to 30. Now we have to find the value of b. We have to find the value of b. B equals to b square equals to what? A square minus c square. We know. Since b square equals to a square minus c square, a square to b square plus c square. So here a square means 13 square minus c square means 5 square minus 169 minus 25. This is 144. Implies b is equals to 12. Just taking positive sign here. Oh, b square equals to 24. You can also write. So just equation of ellipse will be what? X square upon a square means what? 13 square plus y square upon 12 square equals to 1. So x square upon 15. What is the solution? 169, 144. 169 plus y square upon 144 equals to 1. This is the solution. Just you have to find format and then use this to given condition. Okay. Now 16. Length of minor axis. 16. Length of minor axis. What is length of minor axis? (16) and 0 plus minus 6 foci. 16 length of minor axis 16, and this foci are given as 0 plus minus 6. 0 plus minus 6. So foci lie on y axis, y coordinate x coordinate 0. Foci lie on y axis. So its equation will be x square upon b square plus y square upon a square equals to 1. Now foci is this. Its foci what? Its foci plus 0 plus minus c. 0 plus minus c. So c equals to what? 6. And minor axis 16. That is what? Its minor axis 2b. So 2b equals to, its minor axis 2b equals to 16, implies b equals to 8. B equals to 8. And c equals to this. Therefore, a square equals to b square plus c square. 8 square plus 6 square. 64 plus 36. 100. A equals to 10. A equals to 10. Okay, A equals to 10. Therefore, the equation x square upon b square. B is what? 8 square plus y square upon a square 10 square equals to 1. That is x square upon 64 plus y square upon 100 equals to 1. Clear? So this is the 6400, the standard form. 16. It depends on the condition. Okay, 17 is equation of the ellipse 4k plus minus 30 a4. 4k plus minus 30. 17 4k plus minus 30. 4k are given plus minus 30, and it is also given a equals to 4. So very simple, 4k is plus minus 30, y coordinate 0, that is major axis along x axis. So x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1 is the format, and 4k is this, its 4k is plus minus c 0, so c equals to 3, a and c is given, so b square equals to what? A square minus c square. We can find the value of b. So b is equals to what? A square means 4 square minus 3 square, 16 minus 9. 7. Okay. So b square equals to 7. Just use this value here. X square upon a square means 4 square plus y square upon b square means 7 equals to 1. So x square upon 16 plus y square upon 7 equals to 1. This is the x square upon 16 plus y square upon 7 equals to 1. This is the solution, 17. Okay. Similarly 18, 19, 20 you can solve. Okay. So here just 18 is what? BC and center at the origin. Center at the origin and 4k on the x-axis. Center at the origin, 4k on the x-axis. So what will be the equation? 18. 18. Center at origin. Center at origin and 4k on the x-axis. That is equation what? X square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. 4k on the x-axis, major axis along the x-axis. So equation will be this. And here b and c are given. And also b equals to 3, c equals to 4. So a square equals to what? b square plus c square. Okay, b means 3 square plus 4 square equals to 9 plus 16 equals to 25. So a square equals to 25. So just you can put here x square upon 25 plus y square upon 3 square equals to 1. So this is solution. Okay. This is solution. 18. X square by 25 plus y square by 9. Y square by 9. Okay. You can write it also 9. This is solution. Similar 19 question. Find the equation of the ellipse. Satisfy the condition. Here different type. Center at origin. So just for question 19 and 20 same type of questions. Here for finding the equation of ellipse we have to find the value of a and b. So here equation of the ellipse condition is center at origin. Okay. And major axis on the y axis. Major axis on the y axis. And passing through 2 points. So here according to question the form of ellipse will be x square upon b square plus y square upon a square equals to 1 according to the condition, because what major axis on the y axis, that is x square by b square plus y square by a square equals to 1. This is the required equation and it will pass through the point 3, 2 and 1, 6. 3, 2 and 1, 6. This ellipse will pass. This ellipse is like this. Pass through 2 point. That is, point will satisfy this. If it will pass through 3, 2 and 1, 6. 1, 6. Then, if it will pass means this 2 point will satisfy this. Satisfy means just put the value of x and y from point in equation. So 3 to 3, 2. So 3a square upon b square plus 2a square upon a square equals to 1, equation 2. And here 1 square. So 1 square upon b square plus 6 square upon a square equals to 1, equation 3rd. Just solve this two equation. Simple equation is here. Just 1 by b square means what? We can write this also. 1 by b square means b, 9b plus 4a equals to 1. And here also b plus 36a equals to 1. Equation 2, equation 3, 1 by b square equals to b and 1 by a square equals to a. Suppose. Now we can solve it. We can solve it. Just multiply this 2 into equation 2 into 9. Equation 2 into 9 minus 3 gives. Means multiply this by 9 and from this subtract this. So 9 means what? 9 into 9? 81b plus 36a minus this b plus 36a equals to 9 minus 1. So what? 36a cancel b, 80b. 80b equals to 8. So b equals to 1 by 8 by 80 equals to 1 by 10. So b means what? 1 by b square equals to 1 by 10. Means b square equals to 10. B square equals to 10. So b square means capital B equals to 1 by 10. Capital B equals to 1 by 10. You can put here 1 by 10. And then you can solve. Similarly, from 2 we can find the value of what? Here b square equals to 10 and a square equals to 40. From 2 we can find a square equals to 40. Just how to solve? Just put b equals to 1 by 10 here or here, and then transfer to right hand side, and a equals to, you can get 1 by a square equals to, and then a square equals to 40. Okay, finally just put here, then you can get the equation. Finally, thus the required equation of ellipse is x square upon b square. B square means 10 plus y square upon a square means 40 is equals to 1. So this is our solution. Okay. X square by 10 plus y square by 40 equals to 1. You can also write it 4 x square plus y square equals to 40. You can write like this: 4x square plus y square equals to 40. This or this is the equation of ellipse. Similarly, you can do question 20. 20 will be of the form what? Here major axis on the x axis. So 20 Major axis on the x-axis, that is here will be a square, here will be b square. That will be the equation. Okay, and passing through 4 3 6 2, 4 3 6 2, 6 2. Okay, 4 3 6 2. So just by doing the same process, passes through this. So 4 square by a square plus 3 square by b square equals to 1. 2 equation, and 6 square by a square plus 2 square by b square equals to 1. Solving 2 and 3, we get a square equals to this and b square equals to this. Just same process, you can solve it and find value 52 13, 52 13. Just you can get there. The required equation of ellipse is x square by a square, just a square 52, plus y square by b square 13 equals to 1. This is solution. Clear? 52 13, 52 13 x square y square to, and also you can write like this, 4 y square equals to 52. This or this. Okay, x square plus 4 y square equals to 52. Clear? So just solve it. 1 by a square, 1 by b square, 1 by b square, 1 by b square, single quantity, and by solving this linear equation you can get like this. So this is the solution. X square plus 4y square equals to 52. Okay, so last question is this. All the questions you have to do in very detail in your homework copy. Okay, so send me solution of 4 5 questions for your attendance. Okay.